people. So here we are.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We are at this place called Highest Place, and it's in oops, pick it up. I'm sorry. This is what is this? This is some. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ,
Happy New
chocolate
Year,
pens.
everybody.
Yeah, we are at this place, and it's beautiful, right? I mean,
Good thing 2020 over.
good thing 2020 over, but why? It was a nice year, right?
No,
So-
this hopefully Corona will go this
Yeah.
year. I will.
Yeah.
No, because
Correct. This young man already when I went to Ranchi, I had people posting in the comment section, "Where is Ayush? He's not with you." This young man, he's one celebrity only. So this feels good, and I'll catch you all in my next video. So this is how the place looks, and we are all having breakfast. So on that note, thanks.
thanks for watching and please subscribe. And don't